What's up, Top Robots? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel of Car Enthusiasts. Today we have an exclusive video for you, the Hyundai Creta Facelift 2024. The base variant is in front of us. Alright, you can see it comes with some sort of a connected lamp setup in the front, but I'm sure those are reflectors in the front. That is the base model. Over here you can see you get projector lamps. Alright, definitely coming with halogens, not LEDs. Over there you can see fog lamp setup just below the projectors as well. Okay, you can see the low beam and the high beam setup in front of you. Definitely all halogens setup, of course. Now looking at from the side, it looks like the from the side it looks like the pre-facelifted model only. You can see that Hyundai logo finished in satin. You get the skid plate treatment over here. The approach angle is more or less the same. There is no difference. You can see the tire profile 205 by 65 are 16 inches with wheel caps, and it comes with an indicator on the fender indicating that this is the base variant. It comes with regular wipers, got no turn indicator on the ORVMs. ORVMs finished in black and white. Coming to the other side, as you can see, there is no request sensor. There's a normal key setup. There is no sunroof. You get a shark fin antenna. No roof rails whatsoever. Alright, from the side it pretty much looks like the pre-facelifted version. Coming to the rear, you can see that it gets drum brakes at the rear, of course, and you can also see a spoiler setup which is kind of finished in dual tone with the high mounted stop lamp, no wiper, no rear defogger, completely bland from the back. You get a connected setup at the rear. As you can see, the connected taillight setup is a trend now. Looks like the venue only from the front and the back, to be honest with you guys. It's and you can see the Hyundai logo over there, and you can see Creta finished in satin. You get one parking sensor over here, get a reflector setup. 2, 3, you get some sort of a light treatment over there as well. Okay, so you can see the fuel lid treatment on the left side of the car. Let's try to have a sneak peek inside the boot. As you can see, there's a warning triangle over there. It gets no parcel tray, but it does get a 60-40 split in the back. That is pretty visible, of course, to increase the boot carrying capacity. And the warning triangle is of course placed over there, which I've already mentioned. And let's keep moving and coming to the side again. Let's have a look inside the rear. Okay, sorry, it is not that clear and unable to exactly show you, but let's clean the glass a bit. And the rear space, there it is, it's visible to you guys. You can see the AC vents over there as well, and there's some sort of a storage below the rear AC vents also. Okay, so that is there. The steering wheel is the same. There is no change in the steering wheel. You can see some sort of a touchscreen setup is there. You can see the knobs and buttons of the AC. This is the manual transmission. I'm sure this is the petrol variant. It comes with the 5-speed manual, the naturally aspirated engine. You can see the traction control button over there. Headlight leveler is also present over there. I think that's an auto start stop function over there, and the auto windows are also present. Okay, there you can get a clear view of the knobs and buttons of the AC unit over there. And the touch screen is of course smaller in size. You can check out that AC design on the left. Okay, the interiors are finished in black and beige, guys. Okay, so it gives it gives an airy kind of a feel. It makes the car more spacious, as you can see from here. Okay, the touchscreen unit is the same as the Kia Sonnets, all right, that we reviewed earlier. Okay, so basically the features mostly will be the same. The usage will be the same. You get manually dimming IRVMs, of course, and over there you can see that there's some sort of a beige finish on the door, beige and black. Okay, the seats are of course fabric, not leather, as of course this is the base variant of the vehicle. And coming back to the front of the car, guys, this is how it is. Okay, from the front. And let me know your thoughts, guys. What do you guys think of the look of this new Creta? Okay, is it a thumbs up for you or is it a thumbs down? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. So far the base model doesn't look that very appealing to me, but we will be coming up with the video with the model where you get all the bells and whistles. Of course, the top model, we will be attending a launch event as well. But in the meanwhile, do let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. What do you guys think of the new Creta 2024 model? I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and stay safe, turbo revers. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. Bye bye. And thank you so much to Orko Chaudhary, guys, for providing me with this exclusive footage of the Hyundai Creta 2024 base variant. Do check his channel out, guys. He posts amazing content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and stay safe, turbo revers. Bye bye.